For the raisins bread, we will need the next ingredients: 500 grams flour, 45 grams sugar, 80 grams butter, raisins, 170 milliliters milk, 40 grams yeast, and 10 grams salt. For the start, we will prepare the mayawa. In a bowl, we will put the sugar, yeast, 3 tablespoons of milk, and 2 tablespoons of flour in a bowl. Now we will mix them until they turn smooth. We cover the bowl with food foil and put it in the heat for 10 minutes to increase the mayawa. After the mayawa has risen, we start making the dough. In the bowl with the flour, we added the milk, mayawa, and the salt. And mix it well. After mixing, we added the butter and incorporated it into the dough. Then we added the raisins and mixed. We covered the dough with a food foil and let it rise for 30 minutes. After the dough rose, we took it out and gave it the appropriate shape and put it in the tray. We put the bread in the oven for 40 minutes at 180 degrees. For the seeds bread, we will need flour, black flour, warm water, flour again, flour, some seeds, yeast, water again, sugar, water, and salt. First, we'll start with the mayawa. Pour the yeast and sugar into a bowl and mix. Then we add the 100 milliliters water and mix it well. We add 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of black flour and incorporated them. We cover the bowl with a food foil and put it in the heat for 10 minutes to rise. After the mayawa has risen, we start the dough. In a bowl, we pour both types of flour and mix them. After which we make a hole in the middle where we will put the mayawa, water, and salt. Mix well and pour the seed mixture. We cover the dough and let it rise for an hour. After the dough has risen, we take it out of the bowl and give it an appropriate shape and put it in the tray. After which it will be greased with butter and sprinkled with seeds. We put it in the oven for 60 minutes at 175 degrees. For the last dough we will need 1 kg flour, some water, 50 ml oil, 25 grams of yeast, 1 egg, 15 grams of sugar and some salt. We will start making the dough by making a hole in the middle in the bowl with flour. Add the yeast, sugar, salt, water, egg, and oil to the bowl. Add water little by little. We cover the dough with a food film and put it in the heat for 25 minutes for the dough to rise. We will divide the dough into 3 balls that will roll into 3 equal strips. Then we will braid it and put it in the tray. Grease it with butter and sprinkle with seeds. Then put it in the oven for 45 minutes at 170 degrees.